This morning, Keith approved everyone's waterproofing, but now something has caught his eye.
Issue. That's actually tile trim. That needs to be replaced. We want a solid angle, no holes in it.
I got told by another waterproofer here that they believed it was all right because they used a...
That's what they believe it, we don't. It must be one solid piece, not perforated. Let's do is just cut that out and replace that.
Rightio.
Uh-oh, sorry, Dan. It looks like you've been Keithed. Dan's going to fix the issue, but not before having a quiet word to Keith on his way out.
Oh, bull. That's what I'm saying, though. You only picked up in one house.
No, I haven't.
Only in 2 houses. Jeez.
What?
You picked it up in mine.
Dan and Jimmy have the same waterproofer who installed that incorrect angle. So Dan's thinking House 5 might have the same issue.
I'll do my job, mate. You do your job.
Righto.
Right, stick to it.
Can you tell me what on earth happened between you and Daniel?
So waterproof's down, tilers are in, they're starting to tile, and then in comes Keith. Keithy.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
Good, mate, how are you?
Now, Jimmy.
Yep.
Daniel, the detective, has told me that you've used trim here. Yeah, it is, definitely. What it is, right, there's holes in tile trim compared to a solid aluminium angle with no holes at all. It's not perforated. The waterproofing's fine, but the same as everybody else, mate. Just take these out and put a bit of solid aluminium angle in there.
We have to pull it up. All right, I'll call the waterproofer. And I was like, oh, so how'd that happen, Keith? He's like, oh, well, Daniel dobbed on you. How nice. I didn't think we were playing schoolyard dibber-dobber sort of stuff. Mate, Keith's going to make us pull out that door trim because it's not solid alloy. If we could come back and sort that out, mate, that'd be great. It's disappointing because I didn't think we were doing that sort of stuff. That was a dick move by Daniel.
Come on, man.
Dick move.
Hey? Seriously, mate, that's disgusting. Yeah, I'm gonna have a go at him, I tell ya. That's wrong. Why would you do that? That totally screwed us. Even if we wanted to do the floor first, we can't now.
What a moron. Why would you do that?
I don't know. I don't get it.
It's really pissed me off.
Did you dob on him?
No. No.
You'd never do that.
Nope.
Say it. I'm not a dobber.
Nope.
You're not going to say that? You're not going to say I'm not a dobber?
We all use the same waterproofer, mate.
Dan! Why'd you go running to Keith? I got to rip my trim up now.
What do you mean running the key?
It's a dog's act, man. That's just a dog's act.
House number 3.
Yeah, nice. Good to have neighbourly love.
Me.
Don't worry, don't worry. They can try slow us down. They'll try. They just put more fire in my belly.
What's he saying?
More fire in my belly.
Keith said you went to him and said we used exactly the same, so now we have to rip ours up.
Righto. Are you sure it's not the same waterproofer? Because that's how I got done, because I said the waterproofer gave me the idea to do it.
Oh, well, Keith came in and said you went to him and said that we've used the same thing.
Yeah, righto, mate.
Yeah.
If you think that, mate.
Well, that's what we've been told, mate.
Yeah, you get told it, mate. Get told it.
Oh, he said he didn't say anything to Keith. So Keith's making stuff up again, apparently.
Someone's lying. Somebody's lying. Don't worry, they'll try and slow us down.
It's all good. The code's the code, so again, we work with it. We pulled it up and we'll get a new one put down, that's fine. But I just didn't expect to be dobbed on.